Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how to remove blue tick marks on the WhatsApp. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to remove blue tick marks on the WhatsApp, you can turn off the read recipient features. Open the WhatsApp app and tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings and select the account. Now tap on the privacy, and now you guys can toggle off the read recipient option. And once you turn off the read recipient options, your contact will no longer be able to see blue ticks for your messages. So however, keep in mind that this will also be disable recipient for the group chats and play recipient for the voice message. So this is how you can easily remove blue tick marks on the WhatsApp. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.